Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the email marketing platform GetResponse. And while GetResponse does traditional email marketing, including autoresponders and broadcast emails, it also focuses on landing pages, marketing automation, and webinars. And in this course, we will focus on the setup of your email marketing campaigns. We'll also discuss integrations that make using GetResponse easier, as well as an introduction to workflows, which is GetResponse's automation system. We'll look at one of its main integrations, which is the landing page creation system, as well as its webinar system. Now, GetResponse is designed to be flexible enough for both business as well as other professional industries. And we'll look at applying it just as other organizations do, even though we'll primarily be focused on business. So in the next video, we'll focus on pricing and then signing up for our GetResponse account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.